My name is Prashant Ratilal Meher. I discuss about the gender sanitization. My topic is gender sanitization. The importance of gender sensitization in the workplace. Gender sensitization is the important because the representation is important. Representation of person of community not only advocated equality but also adds sense of inclusion to the privacy marginalized community for the health performance organized culture. Organization need a right mix of talent with bound by gender. In a world where equality has become important now more than even, organization only have today make the changes that count. Tomorrow they won't able hide and under gazed up in ignorance. Every member of an organization seek to the learn and grow in their place of work, and an insensitive workplace not only happens that but also become a hostile workplace. Gender sensitization is extremely important as the help of policy feel value and care with the organization. Lastly, for the betterment of society, organization or ethical responsibility in shaping the currently structure by breaking the previous norms. Organizations that do not focus on gender sensitization have culture where equality and discrimination have become a normal. The normalization of a kind of a culture lead higher turnover, higher rate of absenteeism, etc. Such a policy propagate of extents of superior gender. The concept of a gender sensitivity is a way of reduce barriers caused due to the discrimination of a gender bias. Creating the right kind of a gender sensitivity environment lead mutual respect of regardless of their importance of a gender sensitivity at workplace. Represent is at the heart of a gender sensitivity. A workplace which truly believe in encouraging talent will be promote inclusion and mutual respect irrespective of gender. The workplace can consultancy firm or a NGO or even an IT company, regardless of the industry. Gender sensitivity plays crucial part of a gender sensitivity. Remain the need of our change is always meet with the resistance from organization bringing about the gender inclusiveness will be always Herculean task. However, organization will have keep making a never-ending effort toward the achieving an organization-wide gender sensitivity task force. There is a formal handbook is creating gender sensitivity task for organization can use of following help them implement of sensitivity gender sensitivity policy process. Prior of implementing anything, organization need access where they actual stand with regard of gender sensitivity policy and produce need to be the extend to all member regard of a gender. Minor change can be made in the form of introducing preparation in order of acknowledging under of different gender exciting in workplace ungender health or organization create of customized policies and proceeding thinking into the account all aspects of the workplace. Thank you very much.